Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So this is my peach drift rose. I wanted to quickly talk about pesticide damage to roses, especially the drift series. So about 3 months ago, I was doing some spot treatment using Roundup on some aggressive weeds, and a few weeks later, I realized that I had the pesticide had drifted to my roses, and there is damage to them. So this specific one has actually recovered really well. It was the first rose that I noticed the damage in. It's looking okay. The color is coming back. They still, if you can see, some of these buds have, you see some gray-looking stuff on the buds. I initially thought I had rose rosette, but it's not rose rosette. It's just from the pesticide. So it will grow out of it. It's getting better. The previous bloom about a month ago, the color was, it was more white with some red striations on the petals. But now this color is coming back. But let me show you this other one where you can see the damage is more, it's still visible here. The leaves, the new leaves were looking a little weird. That's why I initially thought it was rose rosette. As you can see this one. So this was the color that it started out with. But then as it's growing out of the damage, the regular color is coming back. See? So that first rose right there is ahead in the recovery. This one is still behind, and I have another one here, which is also starting to recover. As you can see this white stuff. So this was the weird color that I was seeing. And then with time, it grows out of this and starts going back to the original color. So it's been about 3 months since I did that treatment. My white drift rose, which is right here, is still behind. I didn't see damage to it until maybe in the last 2 weeks. Although I sprayed, I did the Roundup spray at the same time. So it's just strange how it's manifesting at different times with these roses. Interestingly enough, it's just affecting my drift roses, my regular ones, my old, I think that's a grandiflora. Those ones didn't experience the damage, just the drift roses. So this is the white drift. It's usually a very profuse bloomer. You can see the blooms are looking sad, but I'll probably just cut this new growth out and wait it out, and in another maybe month or so, it will be fine. This is another peach drift. You can see, look at the difference between this new growth and the regular growth. And I think, so this is another white one, another white drift. As you can see, the color is also lighter compared to the regular growth. This is the red drift. The red drift didn't have too much, although maybe it's just behind. But based on how, so this was really the first one. This one looked really bad about 2 months ago. But based on how this is going, this tells me that the damage is clearing out. So anyway, I just wanted to give a quick PSA about using Roundup near roses. I didn't spray it near the roses, and I did spot treatment. So I had some sedge grass. That's what I was trying to get rid of. But you never know where the roots of how far your shrub roots are. So maybe I thought I was spraying something a few feet away, but who knows? Maybe there's a root near there, or maybe maybe it drifted through the air. Maybe it was windy. I'm not sure. Although I thought I was being very careful, but you just never know. Anyway, I just wanted to have a quick comment on this. I'm glad to see that the damage is clearing out. I see this new growth is looking normal. So maybe it just takes a couple of months before the damage clears out. And interesting, like I said, my regular roses don't seem to were not affected, but the drift series were affected. All right, I'll stop right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.